Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox has encountered an unexpected error Roblox not installing. All right, let's begin. First, press Windows plus R to open Run. In the Run box, type percent, local app data percent, and press Enter. Next, locate and open the Roblox folder. Inside it, open the versions folder. If you see multiple version folders, open the most recent one. Inside that folder, find the file called Roblox Player Beta. Now click the address bar at the top of the folder, copy the file path, and open Windows Security on your computer. Go to App and Browser Control, then scroll down and select Exploit Protection Settings. After that, click Program Settings and choose Add a Program to Customize, then select Choose Exact File Path. Paste the path you copied earlier and open the Roblox Player Beta file. Scroll down to CFG, enable Override System Settings and turn it off. Then find Hardware and Force Stack Protection, enable it if needed and turn it off. Click Apply, restart your PC, and launch Roblox again. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox has encountered an unexpected error. Roblox not installing. That's it for this video. Thanks.